Welcome to 4DX Design, your ultimate source for all things home design, architecture, and interior inspiration. I'm Eric, design consultant of 4DX Design.
Modern garden path leading to a sleek, minimalist black house with large glass windows, surrounded by lush greenery and vibrant orange flowers. Gentle rain creates a misty atmosphere, enhancing the serene ambience. The path consists of wide, dark stone slabs illuminated by warm LED lights, contrasting with the natural textures of smooth pebbles and rich foliage. A contemporary black planter holds a carefully arranged selection of plants. The setting features soft, muted colors alongside bold greens and oranges, with an overall aesthetic of tranquility and harmony, reminiscent of hyperrealistic photography. A modern, minimalist home surrounded by lush greenery at Twilight. The architecture features an open concept with large glass walls, allowing for an inviting view of the interior, which is elegantly furnished with contemporary furniture. A prominent stone fireplace adds warmth to the exterior. The garden is meticulously landscaped, with vibrant green grass and contrasting gray stone pathways leading through the garden. Subtle outdoor lighting illuminates the space, enhancing the tranquil atmosphere and creating shadows among the trees. A modern, minimalist home surrounded by lush greenery at Twilight. The architecture features an open concept with large glass walls, allowing for an inviting view of the interior, which is elegantly furnished with contemporary furniture. A prominent stone fireplace adds warmth to the exterior. The garden is meticulously landscaped, with vibrant green grass and contrasting gray stone pathways leading through the garden. Subtle outdoor lighting illuminates the space, enhancing the tranquil atmosphere and creating shadows among the trees. Modern architectural design of a luxurious home, featuring a sleek facade with large glass windows, surrounded by lush greenery and vibrant plants. A striking vertical garden with a cascading waterfall serves as a focal point, with water gently flowing into a tranquil pool. The wooden deck extends into the outdoor space, furnished with elegant lounge chairs and contemporary tables. The color palette includes deep greens, warm tones from the wooden elements, and soft lighting that enhances the peaceful evening ambience. Serene outdoor garden lounge area exuding tranquility, featuring a cozy rattan sofa adorned with patterned throw pillows. The space is surrounded by lush greenery, with bamboo plants and tropical foliage creating a natural backdrop. Soft, diffused sunlight filters through a bamboo pergola, casting gentle shadows on the light gray stone flooring. A rustic wooden coffee table balances the seating area, while smooth, circular wicker poofs add texture. A pathway of flat stones winds through a manicured lawn, leading to a pebbled section that enhances the natural aesthetics. A serene modern garden scene with a stylish outdoor living space, designed in a hyper-realistic style. The focal point is a contemporary house with a living wall lush with greenery, blending harmoniously with the natural surroundings. The setting features a spacious wooden deck adorned with comfortable seating, including plush cushions and a low coffee table, inviting relaxation. A winding stone pathway, lined with grass and bordered by vibrant plants, leads through the garden. The colors are rich and vibrant, with lush greens from the foliage, warm earthy tones from the wooden elements, and subtle hints of terracotta from the patio tiles. A modern, minimalistic outdoor garden scene seamlessly merging with a stylish indoor kitchen. The setting is characterized by large glass walls that open up to a lush garden patio. The architecture features a stark concrete facade with soft, warm-toned wooden elements. The garden is filled with diverse greenery, including tall grasses and leafy plants, alongside structured pathways made of large, textured gray stones. In the foreground, a rust-colored, spherical decorative pot sits atop a stone slab, contrasting with the vibrant greenery. A striking weathered metal wall with two large circular indents serves as a bold backdrop, contrasting with the softness of the surrounding foliage. A tranquil modern outdoor living space, showcasing a sleek concrete structure with large glass walls, blending nature and architecture seamlessly. Lush green foliage frames the scene, with golden sunlight filtering through the leaves, creating a warm and inviting atmosphere. A serene pond reflects the surroundings, surrounded by minimalist stone pathways and carefully curated landscaping. Comfortable, stylish outdoor furniture is strategically placed for relaxation, while a large, gnarled tree adds character and depth to the scene. A serene contemporary backyard scene featuring a modern house with large glass windows and a wooden overhang. The outdoor area includes a gently flowing stream surrounded by smooth pebbles and natural stones, leading towards a wooden pathway. Lush greenery, including tall grasses and tropical plants, frame the edges of the water. Sunlight filters through the trees, casting dappled shadows and highlighting the warm tones of the wooden deck. Modern Japanese garden with a tranquil atmosphere, showcasing a sleek, minimalist house with large glass windows. The scene features a gently flowing stream, with smooth black pebbles lining the edge, reflecting the peacefulness of nature. Lush greenery surrounds the area, including vibrant yellow and green plants that contrast against the dark stones. The wooden deck extends into the garden, inviting relaxation, while the warm, soft light of the setting sun casts a golden hue over the scene. A subtle waterfall adds soothing sound and movement, enhancing the serene environment. Cozy balcony garden scene featuring a modern black couch adorned with soft gray cushions, surrounded by vibrant flower beds filled with marigolds, petunias, and various greenery. The wooden floor has a woven jute rug at its center, providing a natural touch. Lush green trees are seen in the background, offering a serene and inviting atmosphere. The setting is bright with soft, diffused natural light filtering through, evoking an impressionistic aesthetic. Cozy outdoor garden setting featuring a modern wooden pergola with lush hanging ferns and vibrant green foliage. A spacious sectional sofa in dark gray upholstery with decorative pillows, complemented by a woven coffee table at the center, showcasing a small fire feature. Surrounding are meticulously arranged potted plants in varying shades of green and colorful flowers, set against a textured brick wall.
Thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel.